Let's kill a 180. First thing I do, get rid of the 3 bases that produce heralds. Send in the liberators to kill the acolytes. Distract them with 1 liberator so that you can kill all the acolytes. Clear out and end. You're done with liberators. We got 2 more important bases to get rid of that produce heralds. So, use your Furies. Get your Furies to clear out the 2 airfields on the right and the left. The heralds will start attacking your Furies, which is what you want, because you want to draw them away. Just get rid of the airfield. Go to the other side. If you don't do it quickly enough, another herald will spawn. So our goal is simply to keep heralds from spawning. Now get rid of the 2 railguns. They will kill your techs. Go back and kill the other railgun. I didn't kill the other railgun the first time because if you don't get rid of the airfields quickly, they will spawn more heralds, and that's the last thing you want. Get rid of the railgun. That's it. Now send your Furies home. And send in the techs to get rid of the heralds. Once you get rid of the heralds, then you can work with impunity the rest of the base. Right now we're just trying to get rid of the heralds. And because we did it quickly, there's only 3 of them. If you don't kill the bases quickly, you'll get more. But it's not that hard. You just kill more heralds, that's all. If you want to save yourself time. So we're just in the process of killing the heralds. Once they're gone, the base is easy to clear. Don't let them get too close. If the shadow of the herald is over your techs, you're in trouble. Okay, let's get rid of them now. Just watch the shadow of the heralds. If it gets too close to your techs, you're going to die. Boom, he's gone. He's gone real soon. Alright, that's it. Okay, end the attack. Now you send in the jug. Send the techs home. And you clear the rest of the base, most of it with the jug. As long as you're careful, you'll be fine. First thing, you want to clear out the front. So just shoot the left corner. And just come back and stop. By stopping, those attacking will stop. See the purifier? As soon as you stop, he stops attacking. shoot the other corner. You got to get rid of those 2 bunkers. It will kill you if you don't. And just come back a little bit. And when these guys start moving, once you stop, they will stop. Bingo. Okay, now we're going to clean out the left side. We're just going to go over the left side, and we're going to kill the power plant. Stay away from this stuff. You'll clear that out later. You'll clear this out later. You got to get rid of the hunters. That little acolyte back there is a pain in the butt. If you're not careful, you'll do some damage to your jug. So you got to time it right. We're just going to kill the power plant. Now we're going to go kill the other power plant. Now we're just going to leave him right here, and we're going to send in the Furies. Furies are going to take out the fire tower. And the Vindicator, because they will damage your jug. I'm going to go to the other side and get rid of it. Just get rid of the things that will hurt your jug. That's it. Send the Furies home. Oh boy, something. All right. We didn't kill the. I don't usually have these drones after me, but we'll get rid of them. All you're going to do is you're going to shoot, clear that out. Now we're going to clear out the CC. Hopefully this will take care of the drone. Alright, this will take out the drone right here. He's doing a job on my caretaker, but I'll survive. Bingo, he's gone. Now, the Valiant's coming, so just stop. And the Valiant will stop. Now, while your jug goes to the other side, send in your herald. Come on, guys, work with me. I don't want you. All right, deselect you. Looks like there's a rookie running this show right now. Anyways, I'm getting my jug in position. I mean, my herald in position. When my jug does, will come over here and clears this out. We're okay. Just avoiding the Valiant who will attack us. We're just going to go over here. We're going to take out the power plant, which will take out the hunter. Once you get rid of the hunter, now my herald can go clear the back of the base. This will hurt the herald a little bit. I'll get about 3 minutes worth of damage. That's it. Clean it out and you're done. That's it. See what we got. Yeah, just got thorium. Okay, it's just that simple. Enjoy.